Whew. What's going on, y'all? It's the Fresh Pedestrian. I'm just getting off the clock, so if I sound tired, if I'm mumbling my words, I've been up since like 6, 7 o'clock. Either way, I'm about to jump straight into it, see what's going on in the box today. Sound like some clothes. Try not to cut through anything precious. So already, shout out. Yes. Yo, shout out to Gate City Jerseys for this. Damn. So if y'all don't know, this is the Allen Iverson Cola Turco jersey. This is Basika's JK when he was playing out in Turkey. All this is for the customs. Oh, man. Check it out. Just Dawn. Yo, Gate City Jerseys. Gate City Jerseys. So the whole concept behind these, y'all, I got the opportunity to work with Reebok and the Shoe Surgeon to do some custom Reeboks. These are the custom Reeboks here. I did a video for them before. I don't know if y'all seen them, but that's generally why I went through Gate City Jerseys to get definitely the jersey first off. But I needed them shorts. I needed them shorts to make it all clash together. I'm definitely gonna throw the fit together. I probably won't do it together, like the jersey and the shorts in the same fit. But then again, I just might. So yeah, you can see it here. The Basika's JK. This joint go hard. This joint go hard. Yeah, y'all. Shout out Gate City Jerseys. If y'all not following them already, Gate City Jerseys on Instagram. They're based out in Greensboro. They're pretty fast with it. Whatever you're looking for, they're gonna get it to you, and they're gonna get it for you for a low cost. They're not gonna play around. They're gonna make sure you get the product you asking for. I didn't think they would find that jersey. I've never seen that jersey in store, but I sent them a picture of it. Next week, they was like, "Yo, we got it." You know what I'm saying? So, like, I might wear these shorts tomorrow, man. What you mean? Yeah. Definitely stay tuned. This is just one of many customs. As y'all can see, I done messed them up. I done scuffed these things up. I gotta redo them maybe tonight. But now that I got the whole fit together, you might see a picture of your boy with the fit on. So stay tuned. Fresh Pedestrian, check me out. Follow Gate City Jerseys. Every day, all day, we getting that green.